Hi, this is our new dog. This is Emerald, the beautiful German Shepherd. And we have friends visiting today, and this is the first time they're meeting her. She's a very, very gentle, good energy, good temperament, very well-behaved dog. And with all the dogs, very, very good. With just anybody approaching, can touch her over the body. It's really hot today. Yeah, it's hot. That's Emerald. As you can tell, she's living with many, many dogs, big and small dogs, even little puppies. And this is Ollie here, a really big dog too. Yeah, little puppies. Emerald? Good girl.
It's like me going into a classroom full of kids and I have no idea what their names are.
而且你要不要拿东西？我要不要出去？
That's my hair. It's not food.
Good girl, Emerald. Such a wonderful girl. You're gonna find a good home, okay?